Hidden behind your stomach is a tiny organ that quietly controls your energy, your mood, and even how sweetly you age. Meet the pancreas, the body's sugar regulator and chemical factory. It might not be as famous as the heart or the brain, but without it, life as we know it would be impossible. So, what exactly is this unsung hero? The pancreas is a long, flat gland, about 6 inches in length, tucked away neatly behind your stomach. It has 2 main jobs, and it performs them with incredible precision. First, it's an essential part of your digestive system, helping to break down the food you eat. Second, it's an endocrine gland, meaning it releases powerful hormones directly into your bloodstream to control your blood sugar. Think of it as a dual-action powerhouse, working tirelessly behind the scenes. Let's dive into its first role, digestion. When you eat a meal, your pancreas gets the signal to release a cocktail of powerful digestive enzymes. This isn't just a random splash of chemicals. It's a precisely formulated mixture designed to flow into your small intestine. Once there, these enzymes get to work, breaking down the fats, proteins, and carbohydrates from your food into smaller molecules. This process is absolutely crucial because it allows your body to absorb all the calories, vitamins, and nutrients it needs to function. Without these pancreatic enzymes, you couldn't get the energy from your food, no matter how much you ate. But the part of the pancreas people usually talk about is its role in producing hormones. This is where it acts like a master chemist for your entire body. The pancreas produces 2 incredibly important hormones called insulin and glucagon. They work as a team, like a seesaw, to keep your blood sugar levels perfectly steady. After you eat a meal, your blood sugar rises. In response, your pancreas releases insulin, which acts like a key, unlocking your body's cells so they can absorb that sugar and use it for energy. On the flip side, if you haven't eaten for a while and your blood sugar drops, the pancreas releases glucagon. This hormone tells your liver to release stored sugar back into the bloodstream, giving you a much-needed energy boost. So, why does this delicate balance matter so much? When this finely tuned system fails, your blood sugar can spike dangerously high or crash alarmingly low. This is precisely why the pancreas is so central to conditions like diabetes. Maintaining this balance isn't just about avoiding disease. It's fundamental to your everyday energy levels, your ability to focus, and your overall long-term health. A happy pancreas means a steady, reliable source of fuel for your body and brain, preventing those exhausting energy slumps and mood swings that can disrupt your day. If we were to zoom in, we'd find that this living factory is made up of specialized cell clusters. Inside the pancreas are tiny groups of cells called the islets of Langerhans. Within these islets, there are different types of cells with specific jobs. The beta cells are the ones responsible for making insulin, while the alpha cells produce glucagon. These microscopic teams coordinate with astonishing precision, like a tightly run factory floor, responding in real time to every meal, snack, and sip you take to ensure your body's energy supply is always just right. Now for a few surprising facts about this amazing organ. Here are 3 quick ones you might not know. 1. Your pancreas starts preparing for a meal before you even take the first bite. The mere sight, smell, and even the thought of food can trigger an initial release of enzymes and hormones. 2. A sedentary lifestyle and chronic overeating, especially of processed foods, can seriously overwhelm your pancreas, forcing it to work overtime and eventually wearing it out. And 3. Simple lifestyle changes, like regular movement and a diet rich in whole foods, can make your pancreas significantly more efficient and sensitive, helping it do its job with less effort. Unfortunately, the pancreas isn't invincible. Damage can occur from long-term high blood sugar, heavy alcohol consumption, or chronic inflammation. While some of this damage can be irreversible, leading to serious conditions, many of the negative changes are preventable or can be managed with early action. Simple steps like staying well hydrated, choosing a balanced diet, and incorporating regular exercise can dramatically reduce the stress on this vital gland and help protect it for years to come. So, treat your pancreas like a quiet, hardworking partner. Feed it well with nutritious foods, move your body regularly, and try not to overload it with processed sugars and unhealthy fats. It does so much for you without asking for anything in return. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more surprising facts about the hidden machinery inside you, don't forget to follow and subscribe.